Yeah. They tell me stay low, don't stand out, but I feel something breaking out. I don't fit in there, gravity. I move too fast, they can't catch me. I don't speak their borrowed truth. I see in colors they can't use. I believe in UFOs. Hey, hey, ooh, something unknown. I believe in UFOs. Yeah, yeah, born to rise, never clone. I've got fire where fear should be, a signal only I can read. They call it luck, they call it fate, I call it power, they can't explain. I don't need their maps or rules. I learned to fly while they went to school. I believe in UFOs. Hey, hey, ooh, out of control. I believe in UFOs. Yeah, yeah, too real, too raw for their role. Maybe I'm strange, maybe I'm rare, but something in me burns the air. If I don't land, if I don't fall, it's 'cause I was never meant to crawl. Hey! Rise up! I believe in UFOs. Ooh, watch me go. I believe in UFOs. Yeah, yeah, not from space, from deep below. I believe in me. There's a river made of silver, flowing quiet through the land. Sky reflections softly shiver as the morning takes its stand. Roots remember, leaves are learning, winds are whispering again. Every step across this crossing feels like breathing once again. Awaken me, let the sun tomorrow, never truly on our own. Every spark from human hands meets the rhythm of the rain, and the bridge between the ages starts to sing again. Illuminate me, let the earth reclaim it all. Embrace me, from deep foundation to sky's creation. Pure connection calls. The breeze is softly calling, the field begins to glow. Footsteps trace the pathways where quiet moments flow. Leaves are gently dancing, the sky is painted white. We float above the silence where open worlds reside. Echoes rise from benches, voices blend with cheer. Bikes and joggers passing, the morning drawing near. Sunlight warms the hillside, the meadow starts to play. With every gentle motion, we drift and drift away. We soar across the open, where the colors breathe and shine. In every loop and spiral, the rhythm feels divine. From the pitch to the pavilion, through branches bending low, this drone becomes a whisper in nature's steady flow. Secrets in the hedges, songs beneath the pine, stories told in footsteps, the moment's clear design. In fields where dreams awaken and joy begins to rise, we're gliding over memories beneath the endless skies. By fountains and by footpaths, the day unfolds in light. Children shouts and banners in stadiums so bright. Each turn a living painting, each frame a world anew. We gather all these moments from this timeless point of view. We soar across the open, where the colors breathe and shine. In every loop and spiral, the rhythm feels divine. From the pitch to the pavilion, through branches bending low, this drone becomes a whisper in nature's steady flow.